The more I spoke in tongues, the more power and boldness I had inside me. Because remember, as a kid, I was growing up full of fear. Full of fear. I was afraid of the night. You know how I went to bed? I like to stay, as a kid, I like to stay where others are awake and fall asleep in their midst while they are still awake. Then I don't like to wake up when others are still sleeping. I was so full of fear. I was even afraid of that bird. They tell you about that bird? The owl. I was told that the owl was a witch. I said, I don't want the witch to come get me. I was afraid. So full of fear. But the day I received the Holy Ghost, all my fears stopped.